In this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Discord Mobile. That is simple and easy and works on iOS and Android. So let's begin. First open up your Discord application and there in the left menu select your server like that, and now tap on voice channel of that server and then tap on join voice to join the voice chat of that server. And now select this icon right here to start sharing your screen. Start broadcast, wait for 3 seconds, and now all that happens on your screen is shared to Discord. You can hop up Discord, you can use your phone as you normally would, and you see that screen sharing is now active. To disable screen sharing, go back or just tap here at the time and stop screen broadcasting, or you can go back to Discord and tap here stop sharing, and that's it. Now you stopped sharing your screen. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.